Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Can you talk for Mama?
I can't wait to put this up in our treehouse, Nick. Yeah, our pictures turned out great. Do we have any more red leaves, Sally?
Are you talking?
Oh, here's one. Oh.
Are you talking, pretty baby?
It's the cat. The cat in the
Talk for Mommy.
Look where I sat. These leaves are as comfy as a couch. Well, what are you using them for?
We're making a leaf picture.
How clever. How beautiful. I just love leaves.
Oh, pretty baby.
Stuck all over you.
Hi.
I know. Let's make a picture of cats.
Hi.
Leaves. Okay.
A picture of me? Splendiferous.
None of these leaves look like cat's paws or his tail. They're all the same shape. Oh, that's because there's only one kind of tree in the yard. I wish we had such different trees.
Well, I was in Kalu Kali just last week.